Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. Today, let us discuss some string functions. In the plus one standard, you have already studied so many string functions. Okay. Then, in addition, we need to study three more built-in functions: str.join, str.split, and str.replace. Okay. Since our first function is str.join string iterable. This one is used to join a string or character after each member of string iterator. Okay. Then, if the string-based iterator is a string, then the str is inserted after every character of the string. Okay. If it is a string, then this str will be inserted after every character of the string. See the example. Star, then join hello. Okay, in this example, this is the str, this is the iterable string. Okay, after each character of this string, this star is joined. See the second example, here we have three stars, then trial. Then after each character of this character, these three stars are joined. That's why T, triple star or triple star. Okay. The next one, if the string-based iterator is a list or tuple of strings, then the given string or character is joined with each member of the list or tuple. But the tuple or list must have all members as strings, otherwise Python will raise an error. Okay, you can pass the tuple of strings, tuple or list as strings. Okay, is tuple containing strings and list containing strings. But remember one thing, all the members should be strings, otherwise this Python will raise an error. See the example, this is the double symbol, join, trial, hello. In this example, these double symbols are joined in between these two strings. Okay, this is a string-based list. Here we have two strings, so this double symbol is joined in between trial and hello. See the second example, here we have triple hash. Okay, in this given string joined between the individual items of a string-based tuple. Okay, this is string-based tuple. After each string, this triple hash is joined. Okay, see the another example, here also we have one triple hash, then join 123 hello new. Okay, see in this example, first one is a number, then next two are strings. So when you give items like this, then the Python will report an error. So this is the error, sentence item 0, expected str instance in found. So don't give parameters like this, you have to give only string-based list or string-based tuples or only single strings. Clear? The next one, str.split, str or char. Okay, this one is used to split a string-based or given string or character and returns a list containing split strings as members. If you do not provide any argument to split, then by default it will split the given string considering white space as separator. Okay, that is if you didn't pass any parameter to this function, then the white space will take it as a separator. See the example, I love Python, then split. Here nothing is given. That's why it will take the white space as separator. So we get the output, I love Python. So this function is used to split the string. See in the second example, in the split function, here we pass in space. Okay, so it will give the same output, I love Python. That means if you give the space or not, this will give the same output. But see, if you provide a string or a character as an argument to split, then the given string is divided into parts considering the given string or character as separator, and separator character is not included in the split strings. Okay, when you pass a parameter to the split function, then that element will not contain in the output. Okay, see the example, I love Python split of O. So here we pass the parameter O. Okay, here the element is O. That's why in the output the O is not present. Okay, so the string is split till this element encountered. Okay, that's why the first string is IL. Then this O is found. That's why the string is split here. Then start from next element VEPYTH. Again this O element found, so it split. Okay, the next string will start from here. So in the output, the passing element is not present in the output string. The next function is str.replace, word to be replaced and replace word. So which word you given here, that word will be replaced by this word, replace word. Okay, and the word to be replaced should be in the part of the string. Okay, for example, I love Python. Replace Python programming. In this example, the Python is part of this string. That's why this word is replaced by programming. Then we get the output I love programming. See the same example in the Python shell. I love Python dot replace Python programming. See dot. Don't forget to put this dot symbol. Okay, all the functions need this dot. So it will give the output I love programming. Okay, remember one thing, this element, this string should be the part of this string. Okay, children. So now I believe you all understood all these three functions. It is a very important functions. Okay, so you have to study all other functions, all other string functions that you were already studied in your standard +1. Okay, then anyone have any doubt in this example, you can note down, then clear your doubts in the live section. Okay, see you again with some programs. Till then, bye. Thank you.